There's a few gas bottles lying around and oil drums which we can utilise, but we have this old hangar style barn here. Now I want to clear this area back, make it look a little bit more ship shape, and there's also a better covered area just through here. If I go through this hole in the back, now in here the roof is far more intact, other than immediately up there. That's come off fairly recent. But the door has been stolen off the end here in the past 2 months. It did have a large sliding door on it, which is annoying that it's been stolen recently. There's an old pit here in the floor that might have to be covered over for the weekend. In fact, that timber may be strong enough to do the job, which is what it's actually there for. Now, through here, I'm intending to cut this these small trees away as well. Maybe this is the part of what the guys have been using when they've ripped the door off the building. By the looks of things, that's what they've used. They've brought a truck in and torn it off its runners, which is a shame. Okay, other parts of the site. Through here, there is a large concrete platform. You can see it's about maybe 2 foot thick, this concrete platform, and it's got steel posts fixed into the concrete running all the way around it. And if you come up here onto the concrete and skip this barbed wire, there's a nice concrete dragon's tooth set in the centre. Now this concrete platform, it's about 20 foot square. It's a little bit muddy, and what I intend to do with this site is clear this off so you can just see the nice concrete surface, and get all this mud and vegetation off, so that it looks more presentable. What would be nice to do would be make a small anti-aircraft or field gun position on top of here, which could rotate, set in the top of this here. There's already a perfect hole for fixing a pipe into, and it could swing round on this dragon's tooth. Like this dragon's tooth, well, you can see how big it is. There's my foot, so it's about 3 foot tall. I've got size 12 feet, so that's about 3 foot tall, that, and about 1 metre wide at the base. Yeah. So there's lots of undergrowth through there. In fact, there's more of these dragon's teeth set in the woods back that way, but they're quite inaccessible due to the undergrowth on them now. Right, if we skip over that way, I'll show you some more of the site. Now this here, there's an old tumbled down brick building there, very solid, with an archway which has fallen in at the bottom. Quite a nice old building, or was once. Right, we come up over here. Pause the camera, I think. Yeah, so I've come up through there, and that leads to a bit of a pathway which goes down through the centre of the site towards the field right at the back on the south side of the site. Now I can go down through there, but I've been down there on some of my other videos, so I'm able to show links into that. Again, I think under here there's possibly concrete, and this has been a road of some form running down there, but I'm not 100% certain on that. Through here we're coming back to where I started off. This is the high part of the site. You can see the trees are changing into pine trees, very nice tall pine trees, and the site is much more elevated over here. If I cut down through there, I can get back to the entrance where I came in. You can see this is a section here where someone's made a pathway leading through from the rear site entrance right through and down towards the hangar buildings, and it winds through here. So we could actually take jeep or tank down through here and take it to the hangar building and park them inside there if we wanted to. And then this is the pathway out again.